Have you ever wondered about the buzz surrounding data science? It's much more than just numbers and algorithms. Data science is the field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from data in various forms, both structured and unstructured. At its core, data science is about transforming raw data into meaningful actions and valuable predictions. It's the interdisciplinary field driving modern decision-making. In a world drowning in data, data science is essential. It allows organizations to understand complex phenomena, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge. To tackle complex problems, data science relies on a powerful blend of three main components. These include solid foundations in statistics and mathematics for robust analysis, and computer science skills for handling large data sets and building models. Crucially, data science requires domain expertise. Understanding the industry and the context of the data ensures that the insights extracted are relevant and actionable. The process of data science follows a systematic workflow. Let's explore its key steps. It all starts with data collection and cleaning. This crucial step involves gathering raw data and meticulously cleaning it to ensure accuracy and readiness for analysis. Next, we explore and visualize the data. This helps identify patterns, spot anomalies, and communicate preliminary insights clearly to stakeholders. Then comes modeling, often using machine learning algorithms. This is where we build predictive models to forecast future outcomes or classify new data points. Finally, the results must be interpreted and communicated effectively. A beautiful model is useless if its insights can't be understood and acted upon. Data scientists use a powerful suite of tools to bring their analyses to life. The backbone includes programming languages like Python and R, offering versatility and a vast ecosystem of libraries. Key libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, and Scikit-learn for machine learning are indispensable. For handling massive datasets, big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark are utilized, allowing parallel processing and distributed computing. Data science impacts almost every industry. Here are a few notable applications. From predicting market trends to powering recommendation systems that suggest what you should watch next, predictive analytics is everywhere. In healthcare, DS improves patient outcomes, while in finance, it detects fraud and assesses credit risk with incredible accuracy. In summary, data science is the key to unlocking the potential hidden within data. It drives innovation, creates efficiency, and helps solve some of the world's most challenging problems. Ready to dive deeper? Explore the resources available and start your journey into the exciting world of data science today.